Like this?
Yeah. So that's about here. Okay, done. And the other one. Good. Now, try now. That's bumpy, isn't it?
Hmm.
Yeah,
And the other one?
Good. Now lie inside facing me.
Which way?
Is that?
On my up?
Yes. So I'm going to just take your arm over. Okay. And this. Move that one over there. I'm going to pull you closer to me. I'm going to roll you forward like that. And it's going to feel like a massive weight coming off your back. Just let that go nice and easy. I'm not dropping you, I promise. Let that go.
Oh.
That felt nice, didn't it?
Yeah.
Go for stand. And now lift the leg up. That's better, isn't it?
Oh my god.
Nice.
Wow.